Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, variable names are essential for storing and managing data. However, there might be situations where you need to dynamically create variable names during runtime. This concept is often referred to as variable names or dynamic variable names. While Python doesn't support true variable names like some other languages, there are ways to achieve similar functionality. One common approach to emulate variable names is to use dictionaries. You can associate variable names with values in a dictionary, and then use the dictionary to access or modify the corresponding values dynamically. In this example, variable_dict acts as a container for dynamic variables, and you can access them using the corresponding keys, variable names. Another approach is to use the globals, or locals, functions, which return dictionaries containing the current global or local symbol table, respectively. Similarly, you can replace globals with locals if you want to work with local variables. Avoid using this approach excessively. Dynamic variable names can make your code less readable and harder to maintain. It's generally recommended to use data structures like lists or dictionaries instead. Security concerns: using dynamic variable names might introduce security risks if the variable names are based on user input. Always validate and sanitize user input to prevent potential vulnerabilities. Consider alternative solutions. In many cases, a better solution might involve using lists, dictionaries, or other data structures, depending on your specific use case. Remember that while these techniques provide a way to simulate variable names, they may not be the most Pythonic or recommended approach for solving the problem at hand. Always consider alternative solutions and choose the one that makes your code more readable and maintainable. ChatGPT